Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to organize the equation first. We have to move 30x to the left side of the equal sign. So I'm going to have 9x squared minus 30x plus 25 is equal 0. This is my A, negative 30 is my B, positive 25 is my C. Always write the formula first. X is equal negative B plus minus square root B squared minus 4AC over 2A equals negative. Keep in mind this negative comes from the formula. B is negative 30. This negative comes from the equation, plus minus square root B squared negative 30 squared minus 4 times A. A is 9. And I have C, which is 25. Okay, over 2 times A. 2 times 9, because A is 9. So I have X equals negative times negative gives me positive. So I have 30 plus minus square root. I have negative 30 to the second power is equal 900 minus 4 times 9 is equal 36. 36 times 25 is 900. And keep in mind we're supposed to keep negative sign because all these factors are positive. That's why I'm going to write over here 900. Okay, negative. And I have everything over 2 times 9, which is equal 18. This is equal 30 plus minus square root of 0, because 900 minus 900 is equal 0 over 18. Please notice that discriminant has value equals 0. So it means that we are going to have only one solution. Okay, so I have x equals 30 over 18, because square root of 0 is equal 0. Now, I can reduce this fraction by 6. And I have 30 divided by 6 is equal 5. And 18 divided by 6 is equal 3. So you can say that your answer is equal 5 over 3. Or we can say this is 1 and 2/3. So this is the solution to my problem.